Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver Set General Symbiosis 2020 video. So finally Symbiosis have decided to take your exam on 31st of May, and this exam will be from your home guys, and it will be online proctored format test. So very first, those who were thinking कि exam postponed होगा and it will go might June or July, but now it will not be so guys. So those who were with this mindset, now they have to wake up and start their preparation for this set general symbiosis. Second guys, exam will be online, so don't think that you can do the cheating and all. This malpractice will be taken care in your online test, so there will be no any possibility that you can do that cheating and all. Secondly, you have to arrange some technical devices guys for your exam, so that is another problem. I have received maximum call from the student that they are in the troublesome with the same. So guys, you have to manage all these things, so kindly check your surrounding and arrange the same. But it is for sure that Symbiosis set general gonna to happen on 31st of May. So here is the one great proverb guys. It's okay to be the last mover, but be a fast mover. So roughly 20 days are left for the exam. It's okay, but you can strategize your preparation so that you end up with the good score. So I'll be giving you in this video 15-day strategy. So those who are watching this video a little late, they can prepare accordingly. If you have already started your preparation, well and good. So accordingly, you have to cut short your time guys. But 15-day strategy I'm giving you in this video. So let's go to the official website of Symbiosis and check the details. So this is what the official website of Symbiosis guys, and here they have mentioned set general and the other examination registration date they have extended till 28th of May. So if you have not registered for the set general, do register guys. And अगर आपके friend ने miss कर दिया अभी form भरना, still they have a chance, kindly fill the form. And what they have said, online proctored test will be there on 31st of May from your home itself. This is what the notification they have passed recently. And they have changed this test structure also guys. Let's go to the test structure. So what they have done, so English 24 question 24 marks, quantitative aptitude 24 question 24 marks, general awareness 24, then logic 18, and there will be VAT also which you have to type guys. I repeat, VAT you have to type, and this is nothing but your essay writing. So entire test will be of 120 minutes. Out of that 90 minutes will be your for set general examination, and VAT के लिए आपको 30 minutes का time मिलेगा. So पूरा मिला के 120 minutes का break even है. And they have given here some notes. So exam will be happen on 31st of May, and online proctored test will be conducted using a combination of AI, artificial intelligence and human intelligence, so that we can take the exam safely. No any cheating possible, no negative marking is there, and VAT topic includes your essay writing basically. This is what the details. Kindly go to their official website and check the details guys. So those who have started their preparation, well and good, but those who have not started, still struggling in their preparation, we have launched set general full course program guys. You can join the full course program which includes your all the sections. So kindly join the full course program, and those who are struggling in particular section like maths, English or reasoning, anything as such, go for the sectional test. Very important mock test. Do write your mock test guys, which give the flavor of the question and give the feel of the actual paper. And if you don't have a books, so we have launched ebooks, so you can go for the ebook section. All these programs are available on manuedu.com/BBA entrance. In that you will get all these courses. So for this program I'll be guiding you further also. For any assistance you can contact to this number. Also this link I'm giving in the description guys, so kindly check the description. Okay, next is what guys, this is time to charge your battery, because I'm getting many calls. People are very demotivated. The minister were thinking कि exam नहीं होगा, postponed होगा, but now it is very all of sudden. So you have to start your preparation. And many people started feeling lazy in terms of their preparation, so you have to keep all these things aside guys. और ये आप कैसे कर सकते हो? Just write one mock test of maneuver. आपका जो भी score आएगा, after looking your score, आपका laziness, demotivation, everything go out guys. You will charge up, and then you have to start your preparation if you want to end up with the symbiosis. So do charge your battery guys and boost up yourself for your next remaining days of preparation for set general. So you have to pre-plan guys, you have to strategize your preparation. So further I'll be giving you the strategy part. You have to implement it very well. If you will not implement, nothing can be done. If you do 1 and 2 guys, I can bet you will surely end up with this symbiosis. So my agenda is what? To give you the proper strategy, proper planning, but implementation you have to do guys. So very first, start with the mock test guys. Write one mock test. You will understand what kind of a questions coming up in the exam, what is the difficulty level of the question, and what is the comfort area for you with regards to the topic and this सेक्शन. तो पहले तो आप मैन्यूअर का एक मॉक लिखो, एंड यू विल गेट टू नो आप कहाँ पे स्टैंड करते हो. उसके बाद आपको आपकी प्रिपरेशन चालू करनी है. Okay, this is what the days versus preparation guys. Please pause the video. I repeat, please pause the video and jot down this planning guys. This is what the day wise preparation. Day 1, what you have to do: logical section, sitting arrangement, general awareness, October month current affairs video you have to watch, and then business GK you have to go through all the data, English reading comprehension, and in quant speed maths. So from each section you have to complete one topic guys. एंड ऑल दीज प्रोग्राम्स आर अवेलेबल ऑन योर फुल कोर्स सेट जनरल प्रोग्राम। डे 2 में आपको क्या करना है, सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट, सर्कुलर, अक्टूबर मंथ करंट अफेयर्स एंड देन बिजनेस जीके। नाउ करंट अफेयर्स में थोड़ा सा एम्फेसाइज कर देता हूं मैं। एवरी मंथ देयर आर 4 वीडियोस वीक वाइज, वीक 1, वीक 2, वीक 3 एंड वीक 4। सो वीक 1 एंड वीक 2 आपको अक्टूबर मंथ का देख लेना है एंड देन गो टू द ई बुक्स ऑफ द बिजनेस जीके जो आपके ई बुक सेक्शन में अवेलेबल है। एंड देन वीक 3 एंड वीक 4 अक्टूबर मंथ का आपको नेक्स्ट डे कंप्लीट करना है। तो डे 1 वीक 1 वीक 2, डे 2 week 3 and week 4 and business GK. This is what the preparation for the GK. Again reading comprehension and percentage. आपके ई बुक से आपको डेली के 5 RC सॉल्व करने हैं गाइस। डेली बेसिस यू हैव टू सॉल्व 5 RCs. So bare minimum you will be getting 2 RC guys and approximate 10 क्वेश्चन आपको RC से मिलेंगे। Likewise in day 3 alphabet test, coding decoding, November month GK videos and then e-books of the business GK and from English fill up, then profit and loss from the maths. Day 4 number and letter series, November month GK videos and ebooks, business GK, paragraph jumble, ratio proportion. And day 5 syllogism in general awareness section, December month current affairs and यहाँ से आपको static GK के 1000 क्वेश्चन का PDF ebook सेक्शन में अवेलेबल है गाइस। आई विल शो यू कहाँ पे आपको जाना है एंड कहाँ से आपको ये सब चीज़ें डाउनलोड करनी है। static GK बहुत ही रिसर्च के बाद बना हुआ है। यू विल बी श्योरली गेटिंग द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस, all the video lecture from the current affairs and business GK and ebooks of current affairs. ये सारी चीज़ें आपको कंप्लीट करनी है। ऑल द ग्रामर रूल्स एंड पार्टनरशिप एजेस फॉर द कॉन्ट। दिस इज वॉट द फर्स्ट 5 डेज स्ट्रैटेजी गाइस। सो आफ्टर राइटिंग द 1 मॉक टेस्ट, ये 5 डेज आपको प्रिपेयर करना है ये सारे टॉपिक। मूविंग अहेड डे 6 अगेन राइट द मॉक 2। यू विल फाइंड दैट यू हैव इम्प्रूव्ड योर स्कोर। आफ्टर देन डे 7, डे 8, डे 9 एंड डे 10 ये सारी चीज़ें आपको कंप्लीट करनी है गाइस। सो प्लीज़ पॉज द वीडियो एंड गो थ्रू ऑल दिस डेटा। सो 1000 क्वेश्चन जो स्टैटिक जीके पीडीएफ से आपको 250 या 200 के हिसाब से पर डे डिवाइड कर लो एंड जस्ट गो थ्रू वंस गाइस। लाइकवाइज डे 11 गो फॉर द मॉक 3 एंड 12, 13, 14 डेज, 15 डेज ये आपको चीज़ें कंप्लीट करनी है पूरी। एंड उसके बाद करंट अफेयर्स के 1000 क्वेश्चन के ई बुक्स ये आपको कंप्लीट करने हैं एंड देन रिवाइज और ऑल दिस थिंग, go for the test series, there are sectional test also and mock 4 and mock 5 कंप्लीट करने and likewise आपको quant से ये सारे टॉपिक कंप्लीट करने। quant में मैंने ज्योमेट्री एंड सम टॉपिक आई हैव नॉट एडेड, आई हैव एडेड अ टॉपिक जिसका वेटेज सबसे ज़्यादा है लाइक अरिथमेटिक, डीआई, आफ्टर देन मॉडर्न मैथ्स लाइक प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन, ये सारी चीज़ें हैं। तो जिसका भी मैथ्स वीक है एटलीस्ट आपको इतने टॉपिक तो करने पड़ेंगे गाइस जितना टॉपिक मैंने यहाँ पे लिस्ट आउट किया है। रेस्ट टॉपिक इज डिपेंड ऑन यू, इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल देन यू कैन गो थ्रू अकॉर्डिंगली। Once again I repeat guys, please pause the video and go through according to my planning. You will surely end up with the great score and good score in your set general exam. So this is what the planning of 15 days and every day you have to devote just 8 hours of preparation. 15 days looking at we have, which is nothing but the 120 hours. Alright, if you can devote more than 8 hours, well and good guys, आपके लिए अच्छा होगा, but bare minimum I need 8 hours from you. So we are at home due to lockdown, so पूरा दिन है आपके पास preparation करने के लिए। I believe you can prepare very well. So you have to watch all the video lecture from your portal, जो आपका फुल कोर्स प्रोग्राम है सेट जनरल का, वहाँ से आपको सारे वीडियोस देख लेने हैं। यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस ऑल दोस क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द ई बुक्स एंड revise guys and write the mock test. So day wise you have to plan your preparation. So this is what the 15 days planning. So those who are watching this video little earlier, for them 3 to 4 days का extra days मिल जाएगा आपको बफर में, that you can utilize in terms of your further preparation. So guys you have to run once to achieve your goal, whichever campus you are looking out for the symbiosis, पुणे, नोएडा और नागपुर. So आपका सेट जनरल का स्कोर डिफाइन करेगा which campus you will end up with guys. So looking at number of question reduced, 90 हो गया है. So out of that we need to target 70 plus marks in your set general guys. Do remember guys, if you will not crack set general exam this year, then you will be not going for the symbiosis which you are dreaming for, and you will end up with the wasting of your 1 year. So make sure this should not be happen. You should prepare well. And also we are Indian guys, we prepare in the last only. So as I said earlier, it's okay to be the last mover guys, but be a fast mover. So follow all the strategy which I have said just now and you will definitely come up with the flying color guys. So do remember guys, clarity is the power. If you are dreaming, if you are clear enough about the symbiosis, so no one can stop you to crack the good marks in your set general. So just avoid all kind of a pressure, all kind of a doubt about the score and the panicness guys. Just focus on your preparation. So do build your mental map with the positive attitude and focus on your preparation guys. That's it. Now let me tell you how can you join the courses. So guys, just open Google and type MANOEUVRE manuveredu.com. ये आपको open कर लेना है and just go to the first page, home page of Maneuver. This is what the official website of Maneuver. Just click here and this is what the website will open. Go to the buy online BBA entrance. Okay. Now from here there are 4 courses: full course, books, mock and sectional courses. Go to the full course. just scroll down. In the second row you will get Set General Symbiosis 2020. Just join this program, which includes your all the syllabus, guys. Just go to the syllabus: quant, logic, verbal, abstract, verbal and critical reasoning, DI, sufficiency, current affairs, interview, and the VAT also, and the essay writing also. And then if you will come back, go for the books, guys. तो ये बुक्स आपको ई बुक्स फॉर द ऑल बीबी एंट्रेंस, ये वाली बुक्स ज्वाइन कर लेनी है आपको. सो दिस इज व्हाट द बुक्स फॉर द प्रैक्टिस पर्पस. नेक्स्ट इज मॉक टेस्ट. Just show packages of mock test and just go to the Set General Symbiosis. There are 4 sectional tests and 6 full length test series, guys. Kindly join this mock test, which is very important for your Set General. Then go back, and if you are weak in particular section, let's say quant, English, reasoning, GK, so accordingly you can join the sectional courses. But अगर आप full course join कर रहे हो, that is sufficient for the preparation. Those who are really dreaming and want to end up with the Symbiosis, just go for the full course program of the Symbiosis, mock test and ebooks. ये 3 courses आप join कर लोगे, that is sufficient. And अगर particular section weak है, then go for the section. So guys, do remember 31st of May is the exam for your Set General. So tight your belt, guys, for the battle, which is on 31st of May. Alright, so these courses are available on this website, or for any assistant you can contact to this number, guys. And for more videos, do subscribe the channel. For any assistant query and for any doubts, please post in the comment box. I'll be happy to reply you. All the very best for your preparation. Thank you.